Here is what you need to know if you're applying for review on Administrative Review Tribunal. Hi, this is Kaushal here from Professional Visa and Education Services, and today I'm with a short video in regards to Administrative Review Tribunal, especially for those candidates who are awaiting or are going to apply for review on student visa applications. This could eventually imply on other temporary visas as well, except for permanent visa or protection visa. Now, especially on the occasions of student visa review, a lot of our clients and new clients are also requesting us a clarification in regards to this changes, whatever is happening within the ART. Now, what ART has started implying, and this is what we've already started witnessing, is that previously when your visa was refused and when you go for the review rights to tribunal, you used to be called up and for hearing, and then the presiding members would make a decision whether or not to review or affirm your applications based on the outcomes that you have created up until the date. But now, especially with the student visa, the new bill that has been proposed especially explicits about the hearing is not required on all the cases, so they could essentially make a decision based on the written submissions and based on the evidence that's provided before tribunal to make the application. Now, which means the whole reason that the ART is implementing this is that more significant for the time management, and especially a lot of applications will be finalized on timely manner if they can implement this fashion. And we've already started witnessing as well. From beginning of February, we've started receiving notice of constitution, which implies that now the case from ART has been allocated by the presiding member. Now they will look into the application, which is where we've started submitting the submission, the additional documents, whatever can be a supporting evidence to the application file. And if the member is satisfied, they could essentially make a decision based on those documents which has been supplied. Along with that notice of constitution, we have also been advised there will be a further decision that will be made whether the hearing will be required or the decision of the favorable outcome can be made if the member is satisfied with the evidence that has been provided. So this means the review authority is obviously taking these things more seriously, and they are more relying on the evidence that's provided before them. So it's important for each and every one to make sure the document submitted to ART is well prepared. Make sure the submissions is well expressed, and if you have a migration agent or lawyers, take their assistance in order to prepare these file documents properly so that the file can get attention to it. Now, at some instance, I know many people are confused. For those people who have already lost the application on ART and are waiting for the outcome, especially for those people, I believe this is going to be the same pattern that they will be allocating, and they will be serving you the notice of constitution, which basically constitutes that they have allocated your file, and that is our real time to provide all the updated documents like your, especially on the occasion of student visa, GT, grounds, refusal, or genuine temporary entrant refusal. It's very important that you update your academic transcript, your COEs, all the supporting elements that could add values towards your application. And this census is eventually implied within the visitor visa and other temporary subclasses, but as of now, it's not for the permanent visa or the protection visa application. So they would still be going through the normal process and they will go through it. But while saying so, please bear one thing in mind. The ART still reserves the right, and they could call you up for the hearing. So if that happens, you have to be prepared, and you have to provide yourself, and you'll be given the opportunity to provide the oral submission during the time of your hearing. So make sure you have your migration agents or lawyers assisting you and navigating you through this process, because this could be tricky and complex process for everyone to get through it. I hope this video is helpful for a lot of you who are waiting for a review or applying for the review. If you need assistance with any of them, please do contact us. We are located in Sydney, Melbourne, or Canberra, and one of our team members will be more than happy to assist you further. Thank you so much for watching our video. We'll come with short videos in the future.